Silver Watcher coming at you. It's raining. I know it might not be impressive to the rest of you, but I live in a desert. Look at those two little Hyundais. Here's Wally World. Nothing really to see. Like I said, I know Washington, out east, other places it rains nonstop, but when you live in a desert, this is the first time I've seen rain. And I know I work graveyard 7 days a week, so you know you'll see it during the day more. But I want to say 3 to 6 months. I haven't seen it rain like this. So we got activity. Oh, the door is closing. See you guys.